Amanda Breden is a well-known Instagram star who was born on June 17, 1992 in Sweden. With an exceptional talent and a skill list, Amanda Breden has established a successful career over the years, earning widespread recognition and acclaim. As of now, Amanda Breden's estimated net worth stands at around 5 million US dollar. Social media personality recognized primarily for posting pop and lip sync movies on her official Amanda Breden Instagram account. Due to the popularity of her account, she has acquired over 1.1 million followers on the platform. Amanda Breden has established a successful career in Instagram star, which has become their primary source of income. While Amanda Breden is widely regarded as a person with striking looks, an attractive face, and a dynamic personality, it is their liveliness and rakish demeanor that truly set them apart. Amanda Breden maintains a sleeveless physique with wonderful body proportions, and their stunning and intriguing eyes add to their unique charm. Amanda Breden's had garnered widespread attention and admiration from fans around the world. Their immense popularity is reflected in their large following across various social media platforms, including Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Amanda Breden is highly active on these popular social media sites where they engage with fans and share updates on their latest projects and ventures.